just paint. As you can tell, I just painted this whole thing. I didn't make a video of it because I don't like painting.
Piece of cake. That is great.
Caulking, regular caulking will shrink, and when you paint you will see that nail hole indentation. This one does not shrink. You can also use wood putty that doesn't shrink. Notice how I cut this at the angle, and then I have this little piece here. Kind of flatten things out. Yeah? Okay. I don't want to do this. I want to do this. Yes. Just like that. Get rid of excess. Well, I think you get the point. Hey, what do you know? Where are all my holes? Where are they at? Where are all my nail holes at? I guess it does turn white. Goes on pink, dries white. When ready to sand and paint. I bet you didn't know that. Okay, so I'm just gonna start here in the corner. So as you see, they're not caulked yet, and that's on purpose. I'm gonna put caulking when the paint is dry. This way, I don't have to edge this. All I'm doing is rolling. And then doing this slowly. Okay. When it's dry in a few hours, I'm gonna go around and put a caulking on top. And that will create a beautiful line. No tricky part, so I'm gonna show you. Of course, you put paint with a paintbrush where the rollers can't reach. So I already have some in this corner. I'm just gonna do this. And put some here. Slowly and carefully, not to put anything on the wall. So I'm just going to do this.
Remember this piece that I didn't do quite well? No. That's fine, white. With the same stuff that I feel nail hole with. That's going to be pretty. Yeah, right here. So you can see what's just as good was. You can kind of mess up with it. Doesn't take much time. On the side of the toilets every day. So you can do this, right? Without cutting in, wasting time. So I'm doing it here. I don't like painting. It's the same stuff all over, all over, all over. doing the same stuff all the time. So I quit flooring, so I don't like doing things that require you to be like a robot. Do the same stuff all the time. So wait, I think there are some ways before the paint starts here, right? That's not the pull. You pull for second, it's right. Now you see, okay, that's why. Not the same thing, there's a pull tape around. I'll pull tape, there. Most painters don't do. Most painters use yellow tape. So the paint's ready, pull it, the paint is dry, you're gonna have to pull it, you paint here, just stick it with there. And of course, paint that little bit once in a while. It's important to have it. Not right. No, 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 corner. Let's go back. Let's get it now. Let's get it. Paint that. You're okay.
Okay, so I decided to show you what I do around these guys. I do take them off, okay? Takes 5 seconds to take them off. Takes much longer to tape. So take them off, put some paint where rollers cannot reach. Okay. Now it goes back where it came from. But you be the judge. It's up to you. Okay? Well, if you don't fall, it's faster. So after it's all dry, of course, just a couple hours, I was painting the master while it was drying. I'm gonna apply some caulking. Of course, I'm not gonna do the whole thing here. Just gonna show it a little bit. And this most trickiest area. Caulking is something that anybody can do, really. Without any problem. Just use a sponge, damp sponge. You have to go and wash it pretty often. What it allows you to do is to create this very neat finish line. And your fingers are wet, the caulking spreads much easier. So it's about time I go wash my sponge. Of course, it's much easier to do here when you don't have toilets in your way. All I have to do is kind of gently push it down and create this beautiful line. See, and I didn't have to do the cutting with paint. See? Gently push it down. Get through the axles like this. Push it one more time.